barrachd i'r dysaikin sy'n bwyn yn ball-coise yn ban agus nio finery aus na blianig yn beth o galaf. Awn yn da fila sa ffig sa hwn, chai sgioba Camp Hellcats a chrwchw, hwys acha horst o fornig agus dwyn o'n finery yn sport ach go chwych.
We're a grassroots football team for women and non-binary players in Glasgow. We started basically as a response to COVID. A few of us were kind of fed up, like a lot of people were, and we decided we would have some fun kind of fives on a Monday evening, and that then progressed into what Camp Hellcats is today. So it kind of got more serious when we started entering tournaments and realised we would need a name and we might need a strip, and it's just kind of grown from there.
I just moved to the south side of Glasgow and I kind of wanted like a new hobby and to kind of make new friends, so I found them on Instagram and just kind of like fell in love with their logo because it's really nicely designed and just kind of like the vibe of the team, and I went along to a rounders they organised in summer because one of the hot days, and just kind of like the team were so friendly and so nice, and it was just like a great way to get back into football.
It's definitely grown. Initially we probably had enough, sometimes we were playing 4-on-4, and I remember our early sevens tournaments we sometimes had 7 players and no subs, so it's definitely grown. The demand has definitely grown as well. We're struggling to meet that demand now.
Van megan agus Denisha zo'n kummel ora le ball-coise muurvaart na soike. Ach, maar Todd chluchter in eile. Gebeuringen klappen en lorax en skieren in de lachke.
So I played football when I was younger, and mainly in a kind of male-dominated space. I played for a boys' team. I didn't find that very welcoming, and I kind of hung up my boots when I was 14. And then a friend got me into what is now the Hellcats, and my love for the game just was it was like there again straight away. And it's been amazing for me. I'm 32 and I've made such a new group of friends socially, confidence-wise. It's been really, really good. So as soon as I realised it was kind of going to where it's going now, I was really keen to get involved.
My dad always says I could kick a ball before I could run or walk, so yeah, I played when I was younger, and then probably primary school there just stopped being opportunities for like girls to really play football, and like boys in my school weren't really like welcoming to girls who like football as well, so I kind of just like forgot about it until I was in uni. Played a bit in uni, but I didn't really like how competitive it was, so I just kind of gave it up, and then yeah, found Hellcats and quite like that it's just relaxing, fun and an inclusive environment.
To an extent we're still facing some issues. I would be lying if I said that we weren't, but we are finding now that there is more space for women non-binary players to take part in football, and I'm really proud to be part of a team that's kind of making a pathway for that.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing for me as well is like having people to talk to about football. Like I feel like I really missed that part of my life, like just like watching football with everyone, like talking about teams, like talking about all of that, going to the games together, and just like having that social environment where like you're all friends, you're playing, and like even times when we're losing games and stuff, like we're all just having fun and we're there for each other, which is really nice. And obviously when we win, it's a great feeling as well. So yeah, it's just such a nice wee environment to have, and I feel like I see everyone on the team more than I see my friends and family, so yeah, it's great.
Chai Camp Hellcats is sgioba yn hosioch zo'n corn ball-coise sòisealtan agus classical chluich. Ach, han na chluichid yn nish a chluich ball-coise fart besiach go húnadal, agus ha dochas yn ach cwma ora leis yn túiseáide cúsin aus de blianigin a Harry hín.
So we play every week in a competitive fives league, and once a month in a competitive sevens league, both at beginner level, but we are hoping, tonight we've got a coach and things like that, we're hoping to be able to progress into a more intermediate level in the future. We're in the process of becoming more formalised kind of as we speak. That's happening in the next couple of weeks, and the idea would then be to progress the players that we've got in the club with a view of becoming at a more kind of intermediate level, looking at a way to engage our players in more competitive play, because there's a huge demand for us to play competitively and we can't meet that currently. So yeah, that would be the plan moving forward.
When Camp Hellcats started, like it was just like there was no other teams that were really playing for women and non-binary people, and then to think about it now, like there's so much competition, like there's so many, like we've got southside derbies with everyone, like it's really nice how much teams have grown and how many people are just really willing to play, and I think it really speaks to like if girls had more opportunities growing up, like how much further on like football would be for women and girls, and it just isn't where it should be, so it's just really great to have this and kind of revitalise everything that we've loved growing up.
Han na meaning sòisealtan achta cúideach go mór le fás a club. It tors dó dhéanana clúichid an úr cíala dhéanú leis an sgioba, agus barrachd a-mach sa bhat.
Oh yeah, social media has played a huge part. We've gained a lot of strong feedback online. We've got a kind of engaged audience online, and it's allowing people to see opportunities that they wouldn't have before. And a lot of people come to us through social media. So we're really grateful for what that enables us to offer.
Even in terms of like coming out of COVID and stuff with your mental health, like I feel like this has helped me so much, and like I feel like really welcomed. I know I've got a routine coming to training on Mondays and Wednesdays as well, and like playing games, and it's just really nice to know that like everyone on the team's got your back, and we're all like friends, we're all a family, and it's just like great to know that like we're all in this together, and stuff that's happened to us as a team, it happens to all of us as a team, and we always support each other, which is just so nice. Like I couldn't imagine this time last year having that, so it's really nice to be here and just like play with my friends every week.
Han coirsnach fast van de Hellcats na pars woord in a han club me yin. Ayus had Denisha Ayus Megan gumorers and barrachd and eichkins and skippets and Townley Chach.
Yeah, I would just say just do it. It's probably like one of the best decisions I've made, and I'm so happy I've done it. And just don't let anyone tell you that you shouldn't be liking football or you shouldn't enjoy it, because football's for everyone. It's a sport we all love, so take part and enjoy it.
I think we're a strong representation of the community that we play in, and I'm really proud to pull on the shirt for every game that I play, and I'm proud to represent people that haven't always had a place in football, and with the Hellcats they always will now.